lovely people, JK Audits on the scene in Loughborough. Apparently, I've heard, we've got gentlemen up on the roof, from what I've heard. So, yeah, got quite a police presence, but all the town's cordoned off. But it's all at the top end. You can see if you look. Oh yeah, look, got a snorkel out. That's the snorkel, guys. That's the everybody alright, boss? Is everybody alright? Yeah. Just glad that nobody's hurt herself. Alright, Jason. Whereabouts is it? Alright, I can see.
Don't let them see you out.
It's alright, so I've got a YouTube channel. Can't stop you filming in public, man.
Coming down.
Oh yeah, I can see him with the grey top on. Yeah, he's got a grey top on, he's just came down. He's on the middle bit now, you can see him where the fire engine harness is.
What's going on?
The geezer been up on the roof.
Say again. Hello.
He's right where the snorkel is now. That sun is so bloody bright that I can't focus on it.
So she didn't use some scaffolding and gone off?
Looks like, yeah. There you go, guys. Sorry about the sun being in the camera lens, but...
Sorry, mate.
You're alright, pal. So, for what I'm aware, he's been up there for a bit. Yeah, he's coming down. He's coming down. Looks like they got a police negotiator up there in the thing as well.
I want quite
Bloody sun. Sorry about the dodgy camera, guys.
It's 150 to have a look. Out, Les. Oh. Coffee in a fag. I think the bacon, I need a bacon roll. Put something to it. Bacon roll.
Yeah, police are moving over to the guy now. Yeah, he's down. He's down. Police negotiators, they're just having a chat. Yeah, he's all down. He's down.
It's a bloke, not a woman.
Okay guys, so that's the video. I'd just like to say thanks for watching. Sorry about the camera footage, it was the only camera I had on me at the time. One of the lenses is broken. But yeah, 2 females, not a male. I've been up there for quite a few hours. Managed to catch the end of it. You can see one of the people that get them down off the roof. Forgot the bloody names. You can see her pumping her arms to say, well done to everybody. But good job by Leicestershire Fire Brigade and Police to get the girls down off the roof. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see some more, come back and hopefully I'll have more for you. Thanks. Have a great day. Yeah, and I almost forgot. Like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.